Hello my friends, may God bless you all of you who are watching this video now. My name is Cristiano, I am here today so that I can tell you something very important. You who are immigrant in Brazil, here in Brazil, in the city São Paulo, but you are facing a lot of problem in your life and you don't know how you can resolve this problem. I'm going to tell you something very important. Our God is the same God that created the heaven and the earth. And God can transform your life. Because I want to tell about it. There are many problems that come against us. That this problem came from the spiritual world. Do you understand? And from the moment we decide use our faith in accordance with everything that is written in the Word of God, we can resolve our problems. It's because of that I am here this time so that I can tell you about it. You who suffer with depression and a lot of other problems, you can receive the miracle of God from the moment you decide to use your faith against every problem that came against you. Do you understand? It's because of that, take action. Take action and use your faith because God's want to make a great miracle with your life. In your life from now on. Do you understand? Can you believe it? Can you believe? Yes, our God can do this from now on through your faith. God will make a way, but you must use your faith in Him in accordance with everything. Everything is written. That is written in the Word of God.